Here's a great looking Ford. It just came into Unique Specialty and Classics and is now available to purchase. Check out this 1955 Ford Customline. Nice little two-door. You can see the red paint on it. Nice condition, white top. I'd call it a very nice driver quality paint. Might find a few imperfections on it, but not very many. As you can see, it's got a nice luster to it. Right on the wide white walls. Silver tone radials. Bright work, nice in the car. Underneath the hood still retains a Y-block V8 underneath there. It's 272. That is paired with an automatic transmission. Have the shifter on the column. As far as inside this beautiful Ford, it does have the lake pipes for that 50s look. Do not believe those are connected though, just strictly, like I said, for looks. You can check out the underside of the car and the underside pics at uniqueclassiccars.com. So if you want to see what it looks like underneath there and actually check out the exhaust and what have you on the car. Interior's been redone in a red and white vinyl to match the exterior's red and white color also. See the fender skirts in the back. So it really does have that kind of nice mid-50s hot rod look to it, but yet still keeps a lot of the stock trim, stock pieces on the car. Feel free to give us a call too if you'd like to inquire about this, maybe wondering about shipping to your location. Any questions on the car itself, give us a call at 507-386-1726. Once again, if you want to check out any of the still pictures underneath the car, interior, trunk, very solid car. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. This car is nicely equipped, like we said, has the V8 in it, and then of course the automatic transmission, but also has power steering, power brakes, so very easy to drive going down the road. Check out all the door cards have been done with the white and red two-tone, as well as the seats, carpeting, headliner, all very nice shape on this car. Let's go ahead and fire it up. This is a great running and driving car too. We're going to go ahead and pull the choke just a tad. Go ahead and turn her over. Oops, make sure we're in park. Alright, there you go. You see how easily the car starts, how smooth it runs. We'll let it run just a little bit, and we're going to push that choke back in. You see an aftermarket stereo was added. Nice job too where they did it underneath the dash, so if you wanted to unhook it or take it off, these will basically unhook it. You can drop it off. Again, very nice installation. It kept the rest of the Ford stock dash intact. We'll go ahead and push the choke in there. Slip around to the back so you can hear the car run. Nice little rumble out of it. Nothing crazy. Be a nice one for cruising. So like I said, give us a call, 507-386-1726. If you'd like to inquire about this beautiful 1955 Ford Customline. Once again, the address on the internet to check out any of the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com.